Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some fried chicken, so let's go ahead and get it started. First we're going to start with a marinade by adding some buttermilk and enough hot sauce to get it a nice pink color. Give it a nice little stir and set it to the side. And for the important part of breaking down the chicken, first things first, we're going to give it a little pat down. And as we get it started, we're going to find the wishbone and cut it out. Take 2 incisions by it, really get in there. Give it a nice tug, and it'll pop right out. Make a wish. And using a fillet knife, we're going to find the breastbone of the chicken, and we're going to make 2 incisions on each side of it. Alright, it's time to get the leg quarters out. Just going to cut along the breast over here. Find that bone. Give it a nice pop. You can see it right there. You're just going to cut around it. Flip it over. And cut along the back. There we go. Nice leg quarter. Gonna find the ligament of the wing, go all the way around it, again, pop, and cut right through, careful not to hit the breast meat. We're gonna give this a nice little tuck. Alright, after you repeat it on the other side, it's time to get the breast off. Seems I missed a little bit of meat right there on the breastbone, but that's okay. When separating the breast from the bone, you're going to want to use the bone as a guide. But be very careful as to not nick your blade. I got distracted and made Mother Brain from Metroid. Alright, just slice right on through. I knew I had it in me. It's hard to dodge those tricky little bones up top. Alright. Get that skin off, it's not going to be doing anything. It fries just as well all the same. The beautiful part, the tenderloin comes right off. Most tender part of the chicken. Beautiful. And a beautiful chicken breast. This is what the bone will look like after everything's said and done. Do not throw it away, it makes a great stock. Just so you know, that little bit right there, it's just gristle and fat. Alright, let's separate the leg quarters. It's easy because you already got a guide over here. Slice right on through. Pop. And finish it off. Look at that beautiful leg and thigh. We have everything in our marinade. We're just going to give it a good stir to make sure everything gets equally coated. And cover it and marinate it for at least 3 hours, preferably overnight. Next day, you could tell because I've got supremely better lighting because of the daytime. And we're just going to add some Creole seasoning to our flour to make our dredge. Now you could add just salt, pepper, thyme, rosemary, garlic powder, onion powder, the works. But I prefer to use the all-in-one. Give it a mix together and keep adding more until your flour is no longer white. Add our chicken. Give it a few shakes to get the excess off. And cover generously with the dredge. We're going to drop in oil heated to 350 degrees for around 8 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden brown. And here we have it. Beautiful golden brown, crispy buttermilk fried chicken. Perfect for any Sunday dinner that'll have false military figures green with envy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Enjoy!